Hello everyone friends, on the Velour channel. Today I will show you how to connect Bluetooth or wireless headphones to a laptop. There are my Chinese, yes, these are not some brand of headphones, ordinary headphones. I take out respectively two headphones from the case at once, here. Or just enable them if you don't have any case, and accordingly go to the settings here. Start accordingly settings. Here we go to Bluetooth and devices and turn on our Bluetooth respectively. Here we have devices that can connect. So we choose accordingly in an uncloned device, yes. And accordingly here we have our devices. That's it. And you can search here respectively for them in the list. If not, then click add device, press Bluetooth, and accordingly the search for your devices will be performed. Here accordingly are my headphones. Click and connect. So they got involved respectively. That's it. And here now in the sound where the settings are, we select our headphones. That's all. Velour was with you. Goodbye everyone.